lesson, we would look at part of the body, the concluding part. That is part 2 of 2. The link to the first part is in the description section below. Kindly click on it and watch it, as it provides a basis for the remaining part of this video. Let us start. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yà ara, part of the body. Stomach is ikùn. Stomach is ikùn. Thigh is itan. Thigh, itan. Knee is orúnkún. Orúnkún. A máa ń fi orúnkún kúnlẹ̀. By the way, in the Yoruba culture, we are very big on respect. We kneel down to greet our elders, as ladies, as men, girls. We kneel down to greet elders. Boys and the male folk, they prostrate to show respect, to greet. Mama ndobale. That's by the side. We will explore some of these cultures in a subsequent or in a future lesson. Knee is orúnkún. Leg is ẹsẹ̀. Ẹsẹ̀. Toenail is èékánná ẹsẹ̀. The fingernail is èékánná ọwọ́. Toenail is èékánná ẹsẹ̀. Toe is ìka ẹsẹ̀. Ìka ẹsẹ̀. Just like finger is ìka ọwọ́. Toe is ìka ẹsẹ̀. Heel is àtẹ́lẹsẹ̀. Palm is àtẹ́lẹwọ́. Palm, àtẹ́lẹwọ́. Heel, àtẹ́lẹ ẹsẹ̀. Face is ojú. Face is ojú. Now I know what you're thinking. That in our first lesson we said ojú is eyes. However, they have the same meaning. However, the context in which you use them is what depicts what you're trying to say. Let me explain. If you say, I'm going to the eye doctor or the ophthalmologist, you say, mo ń lọ rí dókítà ojú. I am going to see an eye doctor. Mo ń lọ rí dókítà ojú. Your face is radiant. You tell them, ojú yín dán o. Ojú yín dán o. Ojú ẹ̀ ń dán. If you're talking to someone that is older than you are, or you're talking to multiple people, you say ojú yín dán. However, if you're talking to one person or someone that you have some sort of camaraderie with, you say ojú ẹ̀ ń dán. So in that case, you are saying your face is radiant. So they are two different things, even though they have the same Yoruba meaning. Shoulder is èjìká. Shoulder, èjìká. Èjìká. Brain is ọpọlọ. Brain, ọpọlọ. Cheek is ẹ̀kẹ́. Ẹ̀kẹ́, or some people say ẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ́. I just say ẹ̀kẹ́. Ẹ̀kẹ́. Chin is ìgbọ̀n. Ìgbọ̀n. Throat is ọ̀nàfun. 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 Heart is ọkàn. Ọkàn. Intestine is ìfun. Ìfun. Liver is ẹ̀dọ̀. Kidney is kíndìnrín. Kíndìnrín. Blood is ẹ̀jẹ̀. Skin is àwọ̀. Àwọ̀. So if something is friendly to the skin, you say ọ̀rẹ́ àwọ̀. Oúnjẹ ni ọ̀rẹ́ àwọ̀. Like good food is the is friendly to the skin or is good for the skin. Awọ is skin. With this, we have come to the end of this lesson. If you have any questions as regards this lesson, or there's something you like us to talk about, kindly drop a comment in the comment section. We would appreciate it. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Ó dàbọ̀.